reviewing the new update. Yeah. Come here, boys. Today we're here with Luck and Ticket Bros TV. Ticket Bros TV. Woo! Subscribe to Two Bros TV. Also subscribe to me, please. You gave me the offer. I did not ask you. You asked me. That's cap. That's bull. I swear on my mom's left pinky toe. So today, we're showing the new update. You can become a Roomba. Shut up! I become Roomba! I'm gonna activate rocket launcher mode. That's the part of the new update. Rocket Roomba. Yep. So come here, Roomba. Come here, Roomba. Come here. There's some dirt right here. Can you come? Okay, come here, Roomba. This is my Roomba. He's coming. This is my little Roomba. He's trying. All right, well, Roomba be gone.